Hello, hello, all. Hi there, Angel Henry here. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by saying I am not a paid actor. I am a legit Talkadot Pro advocate. I mean, I am telling everybody about this tool. So I'm author of Dents in the Ceiling and professional speaker and coach. And as a speaker and coach, anytime that I do a virtual talk or an in-person talk, I have as my last slide my Talkadot slide, aka quite literally the money slide. So, okay, this is a win-win for those of you that are an audience member or participant of someone that speaks, as well as a speaker. Okay, how this works is you just throw up the slide with the QR code, you whip out your phone and scan it, fill out a couple of bits of information, and most likely you'll get like a free handout or the slides or a link to the website. But at the end of the day, you get the person's contact information and they get yours. Why is this helpful? No more lines, y'all. Yeah. You don't have to stand in line. Now, why is that such a cool thing? Well, if you're at a conference or an event, you're trying to book it to get to be the first person in lunch, or you're trying to book it out of there to beat traffic, or you're trying to book it to your next session, right? So you get that good front row seat and you're not stuck in the back. Well, you will be stuck in the back, you will be in traffic, and you will absolutely get the leftovers from lunch because you're in line, because you're behind the lady that's talking about her daughter and how great her daughter is and would love to hear your book and would like to be mentored and coached by the speaker. And you're sitting there like, okay, lady, nobody wants to hear about your daughter. Just get the signature on the book and go, or just get the business card and go, right? Now, if you're a speaker, oh my goodness, you might be talking to a crowd of hundreds of people. Or if you're doing a breakout, you might be talking to a crowd of 50 to 100 folks. And somewhere in that, there's somebody sitting there thinking like, wow, she was so cool. I wish I could have her at my company. Or wow, she was so cool. I wish I could book her to be my coach, but I don't want to wait in line behind that lady talking behind, about her daughter. And so guess what? Now you get to get their information. They don't have to wait. They don't have to miss you. And they just scan that code, fill in their information, and you can follow up with them after the event. And guess what, y'all? That is exactly what happened to me at the HR 2024 SHRM conference just this past August. I am going to work with an agency, a nonprofit here in Indianapolis this Friday coming up. Why? Because of Talkadot. Someone in the audience scanned the code, reached out to me and said, hey, I want you to come do leadership training at my agency. And that's exactly what I'll be doing. It's just that simple. So highly recommend Talkadot Pro. Cannot stress it enough. If you have any questions or if you're on the fence, just do it. Just do it. Bye now.